What's up, everyone? It is Tuesday, August 11th, and we're going to be going over the NASDAQ and US dollar Japanese yen pair. Let's get straight into it. So as you can see on the chart that I have marked out, this is from yesterday that I made this analysis where I predicted price would touch over here, this order block, absorb a good amount of liquidity, and go straight up. And it looks like that's what it's currently doing, which is a pretty good sign. You know, I'm spot on with these analysis breakdowns. So I'm pretty happy about that. So, you know, pretty obviously, price touched down over here. What is this? 29,537. This is NASDAQ. Touched over here, absorbed a whole bunch of liquidity in this order block that I have marked out. I want to say either last week or probably yesterday. I think I marked this out yesterday. This order block right here where price was going to go touchdown here, absorb a bunch of buy orders, and then continue up, which it looks like that's probably what it's going to be doing. Now, obviously, it's too quick to assume, but so far, so good. We are hoping for Tokyo session to push NASDAQ up further, and that's what we are hoping for as far as the NASDAQ. Now, on the US dollar Japanese yen pair, what can we see? So, Monday's video, I was talking about how we're expecting price to probably move sideways, which it looks like that's what it's doing. Disregard these marks. I'll put them back, but you know, like I said, price was probably going to be moving sideways. It looks like that is what it's doing. I was hoping for price to, you know, move in a zigzag going upwards, but previously we had hit a liquidity order block in the form of buy orders right over here using our Fibonacci, and it looks like, you know, the prediction was that it was going to be moving upwards because there are no major fundamentals that are going to negatively impact the US dollar Japanese yen pair. Today is August. Australian news, major impact. Let's go into tomorrow, Wednesday. We do have some news for the US dollar CPI, core CPI, which we're going to see how that moves the market. But currently, it makes sense. You know, no one wants to really buy or sell. Traders are being cautious. That's why price is moving sideways currently. We are waiting for tomorrow's move. That's really what's going on. Hopefully, we can make a continuation upwards. But let's say if it's a negative impact, we're probably going to be seeing price move to the 0.5 level. Or this is 0.25 actually. Let's see. Yeah, we're probably going to see price move to the 0.25 level. As we can see, price over here, previous London session, it came down, hit a major order block, and shot straight up. So I'm guessing the 0.25 level should check out if it is a negative impact, and then we should see a continuation upwards. So let me mark that out for you. Let me show you what that might look like. So price, let's say negative impact on core CPI, you know, we might shoot straight down over here, you know, confluence, and then we might continue up. That's a straight up shot. You get the idea. That's a bad line. But yeah, that's what we're expecting. Overall, I'm honestly hoping for USDJPY to go upwards either way. After some bad news, you know, of course, we're going to have some drawdown, but I don't see why there won't be any more upwards continuation. So that's pretty much all I have. NQ, spot on prediction so far. You know, I'm pretty happy about this. So far, so good. Last week, I had a really good call out. Price went in my favor on the USD-JPY pair. NASDAQ is going in my favor this week. And hopefully, by tomorrow, we'll see what happens. We are not predicting. We are simply reacting. And that's the game plan. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. Peace.